Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I love you guys so very much. Thank you for the support. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It's raining where I am, but it's pretty warm. It's actually really, really hot in here. I think it's like in the 60s. So probably need to turn on the AC. But I haven't done it, and now I'm all set up to film this video, so whatever. But today I would like to share with you a Bath & Body Works haul. I have a lot of the new Easter and spring goodies that have come out, so without further ado, let's jump in and see what I got. Let's start with non-fragrance first. So I picked up, I think this is called the flower ring candle holder because I just think this is absolutely beautiful. It retails for $39.95 and it is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Like, white is one of my favorite colors and it just looks so fresh and just elegant and perfect for spring. So I cannot wait to find a place for this. It's so cute. I love it. And I use my 20% off coupon. So yeah, I'm happy. So I got that. And I know I picked up a sugar lip scrub. Well, I'll find it. Let's go ahead and do soaps. Let's do hand soaps. So I did the 4 for $20, so I got another white t-shirt hand soap. I love the packaging on this. This one, I really like it. It's crisp pear, lavender cloud, and soft sandalwood, and it's just really, really fresh and spring-like. I get a lot of floral out of that one, but I guess my nose is weird. So, sprinkled donut, adorable packaging. I love orange and I love pink. Some Bunny Loves You. So this one, I did get this in a hand soap last year, I think. So it's not new. Buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. Yeah, I say vanilla. I think it's pronounced vanilla. You guys, I have to be honest. Like, I had too much caffeine this morning. Like, I'm like so jittery. I had 3 cups of coffee, and I usually don't have that much. So I'm like, I don't know. I just feel like I've got a lot of energy today. So I think tomorrow I'll go back to my 1 cup of coffee. But anyway, I also picked up a Tutti Frutti candy hand soap. Cute packaging. And this is sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugared lemon. And yeah, it smells like tart jelly beans in the hand soap. Oh, it's nice. I like that one. So I picked up that. And, okay, another Tutti Frutti candy hand soap. Okay, and that is it for the hand soaps. Oh, here's my lip scrub. So, like, I usually use Victoria's Secrets. I really like the Candy Rose one that they came out with, the sugar lip scrub, but that one, I haven't been able to find it online or in my store, so I was happy when I saw this. So I got Berry Scone Exfoliating Lip Scrub. It retails for $10.50, and these are, I mean, you know, Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret are owned by the same company, so it's probably going to be the same formula, so yeah, I'm happy. Hopefully that one is as good as the one that I'm used to. Alright, so let's talk about some body care. I went ahead and picked up fresh coconut and cotton in the body cream because I have this in the soap and hand soap and I absolutely love it. The scent notes are coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. And it is just, it's like a soft cotton, and the coconut like gives it like this creaminess, like a smoothness. Oh, I love this. It's just very, very understated and beautiful. So hopefully I'll enjoy this as much in the body care as I I am enjoying it in my hand soap. And I also picked up a fresh coconut and cotton fine fragrance mist. Oh, let me tell you what these retail for. $15.50 and $16.50. Let's see how this is in the mist. Yeah, just really soft and cottony. Just soft cotton loveliness. And what else did I get? Oh, Copper Coconut Sands. I got a moisturizing body wash. Cute packaging. The scent notes are sun-kissed coconut, soft orchid petals, and creamy sandalwood. I'm usually not a fan of coconut, which is why I think I just picked this up in the body wash. Yeah, a lot of coconut, but like it's got like a sweet floral. It's nice. Yeah, I think I'll like this in the body wash. We'll see. And oh, I picked up a whipped berry meringue in a body lotion because I had a free body care item up to $7.50. So I got this lotion. This one smells like oh, sorry. Like it puts me in the mind of like Boardwalk Taffy. And I really, really like this one. And you can't have enough, you know, travel sized lotions and things like that. So I got that. Did I also get, yeah, I went ahead and picked up also one of these guys in whipped berry meringue fine fragrance mist. Oh, did I do that? I think I went ahead and did the buy 3 get 2. Okay, so another whipped berry meringue. And then also Butterfly. And I don't know what the scent notes for this one are because they only had it in travel size. But this is one of the spring releases called Butterfly. And it's really pretty packaging. Let me see what this smells like. Sweet berries. Let's see here. What am I smelling? What am I smelling? Kind of floral and sweet. It's pretty. I want the scent notes for that one. So yeah, I'm looking forward to when that actually comes out in the full size, so I can get some more of that because I really like it. What else did I get? Tutti Frutti candy in body cream. I love the plaid packaging. It's so cute and perfect for spring. Sweet jelly beans, mixed berries. So got that in the body cream. And fine fragrance mist. So cute. Oh my gosh. And I want to try this. Let's see. Yeah, it smells like jelly beans. Just really like if you like fruity scents. Yeah, that's what that smells like. Pink pineapple sunrise. And here's the packaging. I love pineapple, so we'll see. Sweet pink pineapple, palm sugar, and sun-drenched nectar. Come on. Ooh. I love that. This smells like pineapple juice. But really sweet, like really sugary pineapple juice. Ooh. I love pineapple. Like I like pineapple for home fragrance too. Like Scentsy has this wax bar called Pineapple and Fuego. It's retired now, but it was in my club, so I was still getting it. But I love warming that in the kitchen. I guess I like citrus. And I also picked that up in a body cream. Oh, isn't that cute? I love the packaging on that. Look at these together. This one looks like it pales in comparison to the body cream. And I love the pink cap. So cute. I'm a spring baby, so everything spring, I love it. Pastel Skies. Pastel Skies. Love the clouds. So adorable. Love the clouds. Fragrance notes are soft cloud berries, pink spun sugar, and coconut musk. It's musky with berries and bright. It's like a lot of musk and berries. Ooh, I like that one. And I know I got this in a body cream too. Didn't I? Yes. Yes, I sure did. So here's the body cream. Adorable. It's so pretty. Like, I just want to put this on my dresser just so I can look at it. It's so pretty. So that's Pastel Skies. And let's continue with the cloud theme, shall we? So, Cloud 9. Beautiful. Love the sky. Love the clouds. I got the Fine Fragrance Mist and the body cream. Lavender Breeze, Morning Dewdrops, and Cozy Amber. Usually, and I haven't smelled this. Usually, I like amber. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I like this one. See here. Ooh. That's so pretty. What am I smelling? So, like, amber, when you add amber to things, it gives it like a perfuminess, but it's like perfumey amber with greens, but it's sweet. Oh, I like this one. Let me see what the fragrance mist smells like. Yes, yes. Oh, I like this. Ooh, yay! Cloud 9. I like that. I might wear that one first. Fiji Sunshine Guava Tini. Bright orange. Oh, it matches my lipstick. Look. I got this lipstick for the Super Bowl because the Cincinnati Bengals went to the Super Bowl, and I was really rooting for them because I am from the Cincinnati area, and so, yeah. So I bought orange lipstick, and they didn't win, but they did really, really well, in my opinion. So, anyway, that's just the sidebar. So, scent notes for Fiji Sunshine Guava Tini are Sun-Kissed Guava, Fresh Orange, and Seaside Jasmine. Ooh, this has jasmine in it. I usually love jasmine. Ooh, yeah, this is really pretty. Ooh. That combination of the jasmine and orange. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. I also picked up, yeah, a Fine Fragrance Mist. This one's $17.50 because they think because they're giving you like this textured bottle that it should cost more, I guess. And how do you guys feel about this packaging? I don't love it. I think it looks bulky, and it's just not necessary. Like, I just like the streamlined cylinder. I don't need it to be textured or anything. Yeah. But anyway, that's just my opinion. I don't really like that packaging. I don't. Ooh, that's so pretty. Jasmine and orange. What a lovely combination. I really wouldn't have thought to put those together. What else did I get? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, what is this? Fresh Getaway. Fine Fragrance Mist. It's like a tie-dye. And I got the body cream. Scent notes are Bright Yuzu Citrus and Fresh Ocean Air. Is yuzu like a fruit? I think, maybe. Yeah, I get a lot of ocean air from this with the citrus. Okay, this one's okay. Ocean air and citrus. I'll have to see how it wears on me. But out of all of these, I like all of them. I would probably say maybe Copper Coconut Sands is my least favorite, and then Fresh Getaway, but everything else I really, 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 really like. Really like. So yeah, so let me know what you think, what you've tried. What are your opinions on these? Is there anything that you're excited for? I love to hear from you guys so we can discuss the body care and all of that stuff because, you know, this is just my interpretation of it. I love to hear you guys' interpretation of the scents as well. So Thank you so much for staying with me this long. Please like and subscribe if you found this content helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.